Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is January 10th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to these charts and see what we see. Wow. All right, on the Russell, on the big picture, let me resize this. But what I'm saying, you can see this top double. Again, this is quarterly chart. You can see this double top very clearly right now and all. You can see on this quarterly chart, I'm going to zoom in here a little bit more. You can see on this higher time frame, we have a bearish looking pattern at a top. We are below pivot right now at this time. As I've been saying, that we could come down to this level right here, which is only like $6 more from where we're trading at. But that's the whole thing. If it drops all the way down here, back down to, to 200 and all in this area, we got to see if this thing is going to bounce or it's going to keep continuing on down. And we just made this a pullback. We didn't get as high. We did make all-time highs, but just barely made it. But this thing can still pull back and start giving us another leg down like it did here a few years back. So be very careful about what you're doing in the Russell at this time. Be mindful of your trading plans and your trading strategies. It is showing we are looking very bearish on a high time frame. But let's go ahead and go down to this monthly chart and see what we see there. On this monthly chart, right now, like last month, we had made that top, like I had said before. The Russell doing what it normally would do is selling off and all. And at this time, come the first month, it's only a few days in this month so far, but now we are below the 9-10 moving average. So technically on the Russell, we are in a bear market and all. So now, based on your trading plan, your trading strategies, do what you should be doing and all. Still based on what you want to do. But technically, we are in a bear market on the Russell at this time. Let's go ahead and down to the weekly chart and see what we see there on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, and what we can see, we had the bearish patterns up here a few weeks ago. Had said that we was going to drop, where we're going to come all the way back down here to this level of this 50. This is the 50. This is 5,200 on this particular chart. Let me see where you can see that 5,200. And the question is, are we going to come back down here and give us a bounce? We still have a few more dollars to go. Like I was saying, the range for the Russell, it just about did it this week. That $10 range that it likes doing, under pivot, stayed under pivot. Now the thing is, are we going to come down here and bounce off of a support 1 level at all? These are monthly pivots where we bounce off that monthly support 1 level, which will put us below probably this 50 moving average. That's when maybe the big boys may come in, or they're going to be jumping out. We don't know. But the bearish pattern is in play. It has gotten down a little bit lower. We had it up here. We have had our follow through. We got a higher high and a lower low, which ended up forming a bearish engulfing at this point right here. Not in the perfect location like this one was right here. You got your sell off here. And the thing is, now you get another bearish pattern a little bit lower. Will it get confirmation going even down more? Or will we start going sideways and get a reversal in this market? Don't know. Right now, I'm more leaning towards getting a bounce off the support 1, more so than anything else at this time. I do believe this thing can come down here to this 50 and bounce before we actually go higher. All right, but let's go ahead and go down to the daily noise and see what we see there and wrap this on up. On this daily noise, again, it was kind of like consolidating in this little area here and all. If you can just see my mouse, I'm going back and forth here and down here. We ended up closing below that area. That's why I'm thinking we can go lower now. We don't have, based on what we're seeing here on this small little time frame, we're below this area right here. We can come all the way down here, which is only a couple of more dollars. But again, the thing is, sliding more to the downside is not out of the picture at all. Because again, This should have been our kind of like demand area to come out of there. Now, will this demand area end up supporting us? It did seem like it supported it a little bit today, but we was down at a support 2 level. I'll zoom in here a little bit up. Hope I got this back right. We got down here to a support 2 level and gave us a little bit of bounce. But come next week, we'll be opening below pivot. And the thing is, how far down will we go? That's still going to get us down about that 212 level, same thing that I was seeing on the weekly picture. And that's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll be talking to you next week. Check out my $1 million video. Talk to you later.